Hello everyone! On this video I'll show you how you can use this amazing tool called Lead Scout Pro to get contacts, get leads from Apollo automatically, then apply spacing rules and filters and other types of filters, and then immediately send those leads to Instantly. So it goes from Apollo to Instantly with spacing rules. Here you have our campaign pools, and the one, the first thing you must do is to integrate both Apollo and Instantly, and you will do this on our integrations tab. You have here our API keys that you can put here and here. I have already a configure mine, but you can just put your key here and it should work. And soon we also going to have million verifiers, so that will be the next step. Awesome, great. Okay then, so I'm going to first create a list so we can do it, and I will use this name here because when I write on this exact format, it means that those are the people that have received an email for this vertical here on this date. So this will make so we can apply spacing rules. So let's suppose that if the list was written like this, it means that they have received an email on this time. All right, so I created this list, and now I'm going to add the people. So I have some people saved here. Let me add them. Have add here 7 people. All right. Okay, perfect. Now, if I go here, refresh Apollo lists, you see that it is here. This list is here, okay? So the list is here, and I can then let me apply some filters here. We don't have history yet, so I will ignore, so this spacing rule won't apply. Let me put minimal employees 0 so it gets them all. And all right, perfect. Okay, run pool, and as you can see, it has gotten the 6 people from the list. Okay, so it got the 6 people from the list. It's out here, and it applied those spacing rules, and I can go and I can take them to Instantly. So if I were to push them to Instantly, and they immediately go to Instantly. Just 3 leads because I put the maximum 3 leads, so they are here on Instantly, right? They have appear here. As you can see, they are here now, and that's very interesting. We can apply the history. So we have those people, right? This apply history means that this date here is going to define that those contacts have received an email on this date. Apply history, right? And then if you go here on the sources, you see this applied history here, right? For those contacts, apply the history there is. Those people have received here, have received an email here on this date for this vertical, right? Right. Now, look how interesting. I'm going to create a new list here. New list. Okay. And then it will just be VoIP IP new. Just this. New list. And then I will select some of the same people I selected before to show this. So let's check some of those people. Tai Tuan, Eunice. See, Tai Tuan would be one, and some, and Eunice, and some new ones too, okay? All right. Okay. So this list has some new contacts here, and then I will click here and it will refresh, so I have this new list here. But then the contacts of this list, some of them have received an email, they are tagged as having received an email because of the other list, right? So I have here, and then I will apply here minimal employee 0, but I will apply these spacing rules, and those spacing rules now they will work. So as you can see here, I'm gonna click run pool, and it 4 eligible, 10 consider. Only 4 were eligible, right? Because the other leads, it was tagged that they have received an email too recently because of these spacing rules. But how do the spacing rules work? They work because I got in the history from the other campaign, from the number of the other campaign, right? So as you can see here on our sources here, it has this applied history. Get it? This applied history makes it that this appears. So as you can see on my campaign, well, now I'm gonna have to do it again, but on this pool, if I select this list here, it will only show those contacts that have not received that email recently according to the spacing rules. And then of course I can just then push them to instantly, right? So that's how it works. And then if I go here, you see that they are on instantly. See the new contacts.